Get in. 1 becomes 2. 2 becomes 3. 3 becomes 4. It's an add 1 thing. 5. Add 1, add 1, add 1, add 1, add 1, add 11. Add 1. N becomes n plus 1. Add 1 to the term. It's an add 1. Okay, this one. 1 becomes 3. 2 becomes 4. 3 becomes... It's add 2. It's add 2. It's add 2. 12. Add 2. 6. 7. It's an add 2 thing. N plus 2. 102. Add 2. Okay, this one. 1 becomes 11. 2 becomes 12. This is add 10. Add 10. Add 10. Add 10. Add 10. 100 add 10 is 110. N plus 10 is the answer. Add 10. Okay, this one here. 1 becomes 0. 2 becomes... this is take away 1. 4 becomes 3. 9. That's to take away 1. Okay, 1 becomes minus 1. This is take away 2. Take away 2. 8. 98. N minus 2. Take 2. God, right, slowly getting more difficult. Okay, 1 becomes minus 4. 2 becomes minus 3. 3 becomes minus 2. Oh, okay. This is an take away 5. Take 5. N minus 5 is the formula. 95. Yes, it's a take away 5. Okay, where's the timesy ones? Times by 2. This is the times by 2. 8. 10 times 2. 100 times 2 is 200. N becomes 2n. Times by 2. Double the term. This is times by 3. 30. 300. 3n. Triple to get the term. Times by 10. 60. 100. 100 times 10 is 1,000. N. Oh, no. Wrong. 10n. Times 10. Okay, what's this one then? Times 3? No. Add 2? No. Ah! Times by 2 and add 1. 1 times 2 is 2, add 1, 3. 2 times 2 is 4, add 1, 5. 3 times 2 is 6, add 1, 7. 4 times 2 is 8, add 1, 9. 5 times 2 is 10, add 1, 11. 10 times 2 is 20, add 1, 21. 100 times 2 is 200, add 1. Double and add 1. Okay. What's this? Add 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. No, it's not add 3. Times by 4. No, it's not times by 4. So let's find out what it is. That's 2. That's 2. So it's times by 2. Because lots of add 2s is times by 2. Times by 2 plus 2. 1 times by 2 is 2 plus 2 is 4. 2 times by 2 is 4 plus 2 is 6. 3 times by 2 is 6 plus 2 is 8. 4 times by 2 is 8 plus 2 is 10. Oh, 10. 5 becomes 12. 10 times by 2 is 20 plus 2 is 22. 100 times by 2 is 200 plus 2 is 202. Double. Add 2. Okay, what's this one? Again, the difference between the terms is 2, so I know it's a times by 2. Times by 2, add 10. 1 times by 2 is 2, add 10 is 12. 2 times by 2 is 4, add 10 is 14. 3 times by 2 is 6, add 10 is 16. 4 times by 2 is 8, add 10 is 18. 5 times by 2 is 10, add 10 is 20. 10 times by 2 is 20, add 10 is 30. 100 times by 2 is 200. add 10 is 210. Times by 2, add 10. Okay. Alright, so it's difficult to guess, so I'm going to just figure it out by going, what's this? That's a 3, that's a 3, so it's times by 3. Times by 3, add 1. 1 times 3 is 3, add 1 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6, add 1 is 7. I know it's add 1 because it works. 3 times 3 is 9, add 1 is 10. 4 times 3 is 12, add 1 is 13. 5 times 3 is 15, add 1 is 16. Times by 3, add 1. 31, 301. Times 3 plus 1. Okay, cool. Next one. Okay, the differences between them is 10. So it's times by 10, add 1. So it's 10n plus 1. 4 times by 10 is 40 plus 1, 41. 5 by 10 is 50, plus 1 is 51. 10 times 10 is 100, plus 1 is 101. 100 times 1 is 1,000, plus 1, 1,001. Times 10 plus 1. Okay. Woo. Oh, this is square. 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 2 is 4. 3 times 3 is 9. These don't work. They're not the same number each time. That would be plus 3. That would be plus 5. If those don't work, you know you've got something more tricky. And a square is 4 squared. 4 times 4 is 16. 10 times 10 is 100. 100 times 100 is 10,000. Square the number. Cool! Press like my picture, get more of my videos. Press subscribe, press like, or the other way around. Bye!